Hello, my name is Mayla Lorena Quiroga Camacho. I am studying telecommunications engineer and I'm going to explain about this situation. If you could have any job in the world, which job would you choose? An ambassador, an engineer, a big lawyer, a chef, or any other? Explain. For me, if I could have any job in the world, I think I would like to be a stewardess. I think this because doing these things, I can travel a lot. I can learn about more language. I can know more people. I can know more cultures. I can know about another countries, and I can improve my English or my different language that I already learning. So, and the second question is, what has been the last job you have had? It was important for you? I think the most important job I have had was working in an oil company. I supported ACT. I feel this because at that time I was doing the SENA practice, so I was learning a lot about that. I was working with an engineer, so I get a lot of experience to later get a new job, a better job. So this was really important for me. Thank you so much.